Hello, kids! Welcome back to our English learning series. Today is day 2, and we are going to learn something fun. Do you know what a verb is? Let's find out. A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone is doing. Let's look at some easy verbs. Run, eat, read, laugh. These are all actions, so they are verbs. Now let's use verbs in sentences. The boy runs. The girl reads a book. The dog barks. See? The action word in each sentence is the verb. Let's play a quick game. I will say a word. You tell me, is it a verb or not? Jump, apple, sing, chair. Did you get them right? Jump, verb. Apple, not a verb. Sing, verb. Chair, not a verb. Let's remember, a verb is an action word. It tells what someone does. You did an amazing job today. Now you know what verbs are. Keep practicing and learning every day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.